County until 5 a.m. At 4:03 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Foreston, or 23 miles northeast of St. Cloud, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mora, Rush City, Milaka, Foley, Brunswick, Foreston, Ogilvie, Cranston, Quamba, Bach, Staunchfield, and Albo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 158 and 162. U.S. Highway 169 between mile markers 184 and 196. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.